Vaulted ceilings add drama and openness to any room, but all that empty wall space can sometimes feel overwhelming. So how do you make it grand, yet cozy? Here are 10 smart ideas to transform your vaulted ceiling walls. Number 1. Use large-scale artwork. Oversized paintings or tapestries fill empty spaces beautifully. Bold, modern art works great in contemporary homes, while landscapes and portraits shine in traditional spaces. Number 2. Create gallery walls. Mix frames, photos, and prints for a personalized touch. Start with a large focal piece, then surround it with smaller ones for balance. Number 3. Add architectural details. Beams, moldings, or shiplap instantly turn a plain vaulted ceiling into a statement. Wooden beams add warmth, while contrasting paint or wallpaper highlights unique shapes. Number 4. Install statement lighting. Pendant lights, sconces, or bold fixtures draw the eye upward and set the mood. Number 5. Bring in plants and greenery. Tall plants add vertical interest, while hanging plants soften sharp angles. Mix big floor plants with smaller ones for variety. Number 6. Play with texture and color. Wood, wallpaper, or fabric add depth. Light colors open up the space, while dark tones add drama and coziness. Number 7. Use vertical shelving. Floor-to-ceiling bookshelves or floating shelves maximize space and create beautiful displays. Number 8. Hang large mirrors. They reflect light, double brightness, and make your room feel even bigger. Number 9. Try floor-to-ceiling window treatments. Long curtains highlight your ceiling height and bring elegance. Light fabrics feel airy. Heavier drapes create drama. And finally, add hanging decorations. Mobiles, lanterns, or hanging plants add charm and movement, making your vaulted ceiling truly stand out. So there you have it. 10 smart ways to make your vaulted ceiling walls look incredible. Try mixing a few of these ideas together to create a space that feels both impressive and inviting. Visit Bruzzen.com for more tips